Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to change the resolutions on your Xbox console. For example, now it is displaying 1080 pixel. I'm using 4K monitor, but still it's showing 1080 pixel. I'm not sure whether it's default settings or not. So what you need to do is you need to go to this TV and display options, or you can check the recommendations as well. So directly you can go there, general TV and display options. Okay, general and TV and display options. So here all the 4K details is there. So here 1080 pixel and it's 60 FPS. So I'm going to change it to 4K UHD. Give the resolution. Yes, it's changed to 4K. And refresh rate, you can change up to 120 Hertz. My monitor supports 120 FPS, but I'm using 60 FPS supporting capture card, video capture card. Because I'm using OBS, right? I'm recording that. I will not be able to change 130 FPS because my capture card is not supporting, but my monitor will support 120 FPS. If I'm connecting directly right from Xbox console to this monitor, it will work because my capture card supports 2K and 120 FPS. So this is the way you can change the resolutions. Okay, up to 720. I mean, from 720 to 4K, you can change it. Okay, if it is a 4K, if your monitor supports, you can change up to 120 FPS. So that's it, friends. This is the way you can change the resolutions on your Xbox console. Hope this video is definitely helpful. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care, friends.